You can see, this is the Howard Street Gallery. So just on the other side of the, of course, typically very large Richard Serra sculpture is the street. And that's 25-foot floor-to-ceiling glass that's completely transparent. So now, just as you're walking by the street, whether you like it or not, you're engaged with art. And of course, if you would like, you can actually enter into the project and see it and be a part of it. Of course, what this did by lifting up the building and by creating what we call a sort of pregnant form, by making and shrinking the facade as much as possible, it created a very large mass that we now had to deal with that didn't have any relationship to the city or to human movement or to connectivity. So we started chopping it up into small sections of floors and came up with the idea that the galleries could be as simple as possible and efficient as possible. So we just started rectangles. That's more or less what curators generally want. Rectangles that are subdividable and they can break up and be modified for each exhibition. But what that gave us was an incredible remainder of space, which is this entire green area, which will be used for art. There's going to be primarily sculpture in there. It's a little bit more, has to be sculpture and less painting, for example, or drawings, only because of natural light conditions. But all of a sudden, the entire side of the building had this incredible opportunity to promote movement and physical movement. It's actually one of the most, it ended up in my mind being the most exciting part of the project, where all of these stairs give you varying viewpoints throughout the project and connection to art in different levels. You see people walking by, you have a relationship to the city, to the outside, which is really amazing. This is a little bit older sketch, but in that space, in order to reconnect you to the city and give you that idea, we wanted to create these outdoor terraces. I'm sure a lot of you have heard of or maybe even experienced gallery fatigue,